It's been raining all morning, so the goats have been stuck inside, sleeping and eating hay. I'm about to go out there and carry them to the goat yard so they can stretch their legs, play, and graze a little bit. Hopefully it won't be raining too bad. Here we are, relaxing on the goat stage out of the rain. Perry, Drew, and Booney here. When people watch our 30-second videos, they see us give our goats grain to eat, and they think that's what our goats mainly eat, but they don't. We just give it to them as treats. They mainly eat hay, and they graze out in the woods and get all the weeds and brush, and that's what they mainly eat. It's not good for them to eat a lot of grain. It'll make them sick. So you're probably wondering where my dolly is. It's sprinkling right now, but my dolly don't care. She's out here eating leaf chips. It's 42 out here and it's a bit chilly. Obviously, Dollface does not eat every leaf that she comes across. Apparently, if it doesn't smell up to her fancy, she just moves on. You stalking me now, Booney Boo? You looking for some more treats, aren't you? I set out some fresh hay there. Y'all sick of hay today? Look, see? I have no more treats in my hands, Boondocks. Well, hello, Perry Drew. Up close and personal. Hey, you're eating the hay now. Eating our poor Halloween scarecrow's arms.